Hi guys, Shivam this side. Yeah, you can simply watch so national word, and these birds are found in a huge amount in this area. It means a number of words are here. Please don't focus on my English. It's a little bit weak. So I'm just trying to speak so that all people can understand regarding this. Simply you can see it's a peacock, and right now this is sitting on a tree, and at this tree, if I'll guess, at least 5 to 10 national birds, or you can say peacock, rest in the night, and in the daytime they wander here and there in the search of their food. So that's all. You can also listen the voice of these peacocks. Thank you very much.